Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a new update on Instagram that allows you to enable likes notifications from everyone on posts you're tagged in, all while using your PC. So, if you don't want to miss a single like, let's jump right in. First, head over to your Instagram account. Make sure you're logged in, as you'll need access to your settings. Next, look for the More icon at the bottom left corner of your screen. It's usually represented by 3 horizontal lines. Click on that to reveal a drop-down menu. From there, choose Settings. This is where you can customize your account to your liking. Once you're in the Settings menu, navigate to the Notifications tab. Here, you'll find all your notification preferences neatly organized. Now, click on Push Notifications. This section allows you to customize what types of notifications you receive. Finally, look for the option that says Likes and Comments on Photos of You. Under this setting, you'll see a choice for who you want to receive notifications from. Select From Everyone to get updates on all likes from anyone who interacts with posts you're tagged in. And there you have it. Now you're all set to receive notifications about likes from everyone on posts you're tagged in. Keep your eyes open for those alerts, so you never miss a moment. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more Instagram tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.